All right, so in this question, they're telling us that we have a box of detergent which contains 18 ounces of product. And then to do a load of laundry, we're going to use 2/3 of an ounce of that detergent. And it's asking us how many loads of laundry can you do with, that box of 18 ounces. All right, so to find the answer, what you would do is that you would take that total amount of product, and which is 18 ounces, and then you would divide it by the amount that you need to do one load of laundry. Okay, which they're telling us is 2/3 of an ounce of detergent. All right, so in order to answer this question, what you have to remember is that when you are you have a fraction and you're dividing by a fraction, you are actually multiplying by something known as the reciprocal. Okay, so 18 ounces divided by 2/3 of an ounce, you have to multiply by the reciprocal. So let's remind ourselves what the reciprocal means. So the reciprocal simply means when you have a fraction and you kind of flip it on itself. Okay, so the reciprocal of 2/3 is actually 3/2. Okay, so the denominator is going to become the numerator, and the numerator is going to become the denominator. All right, so always remember that when you divide, you have a fraction and you divide by a fraction, you're multiplying by the reciprocal. So if we go ahead and do that, we would multiply 18 times 3/2. That gives us 54 on the top and 2 in the bottom. If you divide that fraction, that gives you 27 loads of laundry. Okay, so remember, whenever you divide by a fraction, you are actually multiplying by the reciprocal. And the reciprocal is that fraction flipped on itself.